Hello lovely dancers, my name is Aisha and welcome back to Belly Dance Tutorials. In today's class I'm gonna continue the veilwork series. I hope you watched my previous tutorial on the veilwork. I made some introduction about it and some moves. I went over some moves. Today I'm gonna continue with some of the moves that you can do with a veil, some of the veil tricks. And let's get going. So I will recap the last move we did in the previous tutorial, which was an over the shoulder flip, or not a flip, just placement over the shoulder, yeah. And we also did the circle, one circle, yeah, one circle, or two circles, 1 and 2. And coming up with another circle. And now you are here. What to do from here? In the previous class, I talked about how you can spin around with it. So it's a simple spin around. So you are spinning away from the veil. But we can spin into the veil. We can spin this way. And during this movement, we'll also come around and bring the veil in front. So you are coming out of the over the shoulder movement. So I'll do this a little faster. One more time. You were here. Actually, I like 2 spins with this one. I'll show you same direction. And 1 and 2 and another spin, right? So let's try on the other side. We are here. We spin into the veil. As we spin, we lift the arms and bring the veil in front. And you end up with a veil in front of you. So one more time, slower. Spin into, lift the arms, and bring the veil in front. Now let's try a little faster. One more. All right. So, as I said, I like 2 spins with this one because it looks like it's like a twister that's going around your body. So I'm gonna do it one more time and like that. All right. So. Let's try another movement with a veil, and this is gonna be a barrel turn or airplane turn, and this is with a veil behind you. So I have a tutorial on barrel turns. I will link it down below, and I think I used the veil at some point to illustrate the movement, but that's how it looks like. Yeah, and if you want the other side. All right, so the barrel turn technique, so watch the previous tutorial where I go in depth how to do it without the veil. You have your arms extended. You go this way. If I'm going this way, this arm will come down and you'll have to get into this vertical position of the arms when right in front of your audience. So you are here. Then continue the turn. You are here now with the horizontal arms and vertical arms again, but you are sideways and your line of the arms is right in front of the audience. And then you come here back. All right? So go over that. But with a veil, it's exactly the same movement. Just make sure that your veil stays extended and it's not, wrapping around your body. So you have to work with your arms and leave enough air under the veil so it spreads out nicely and creates this S shape. Right? So that's one kind of airplane turn or windmill. But I'm gonna go over another one. I'll probably call this one the windmills. And it looks like that. Yeah. And now I will explain this one. This takes a little bit of coordination and extended arms. So without the veil, you're here. You go with this arm, you sweep underneath, and then the back arm is up here. And one more time. You sweep up and down, and up and down. Let me try it without the veil first. It's the same movement. It's like you're swimming. So it's arm movement that's similar to swimming. It's like I'm swimming back, I'm swimming front. It's a back stroke, front stroke, back stroke, front. Tuck, 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 tuck. Your arms are extended the whole time. You have to turn your body a lot from corner to corner. And your arms are basically in the same position all the time. You just change the angle. And the tricky part is when you are going back here, this arm, the back arm, has to stay extended. So this arm comes up, you go down and extend behind you and raise it. So you create a circle here, like a disc circle with your arm. So it's not out here. Yeah. So let me turn with the back to you. So the right arm goes front and up. You turn your body to this corner. Your right arms go back and down. And then when you raise it again, it stays behind you. Yeah? So up and down. And it sweeps from down to up, down to up, down to up. But make sure that when you're here, your arm is not going like horizontal, horizontal. So what happens, people kind of stop here with the movement. So they do first movement okay, but then they stop here and they do the other movement. But you have, for the movement to show, you have to go down and all the way back. So this is my arm position now. So you go down and all the way back. So don't stop it here. It's not here. It's back and down and down and down. Yeah? So that's one movement. The other arm is doing pretty much the same thing, just in opposition. So this was the right arm. I'm gonna come up and down. So this is the left one. Goes down and comes up here and goes behind and up. So yes. Let me turn with the back here. So this is the right arm, what we did previously here. Now the left arm, focusing on the left arm, sweeps down and up. And then the left will go behind you, right? So left is here, has to go behind you and come up, back up. So together with the arms, I only focus on one arm actually, the right one, because the left one will just trail. We just do the same thing in opposition. So you have, my arms are extended like this, they don't change. You can add a little bit of the body tilt here to make it a little easier. Yeah. and I don't focus that much on the back arm, except that when it's behind me, I have to make sure that it extends all the way back and come up. It's not just here. I hope this makes any sense. All right, so let's try with a veil now. Same movement, but the veil will enhance the visual effect. It will create this large disc that will move with your arms, and it's very nice. So I'm going this way. I usually start it this way, from down to up. So I'm gonna go down, up, and down, up. And I have to turn my body a lot from corner to corner. You help yourself with your body. You not just the arm movement, it's also the body movement that you have to move your body a lot. If you have very good mobility in your shoulders, you don't have to turn this much because you are able to bring the arm back a lot. But most of us are not that flexible or that stretch in the shoulders, so we employ the body turn. So I'm gonna come this way. I'm gonna be with the back to you, so you can go in the same direction if you want to practice it now. And I'm gonna go a little slower, up and down, and up and down, and up and down, up and down. Yeah? All right. So let's put these moves on a song, and let's try to practice together. So bring the veil forward in front of you. Let's do it over the shoulder. Try the other way. One more. And spin into your veil. Other way. So spin into your veil. One more time. Other way. And I'm gonna do 2 spins. Other way. Into the veil, so behind you, turn this way. And all right. I'm gonna be with the back to you. So I'm gonna turn this way. One more. Other side. Oops. And I'll try 2 spins. This side. Left side. So you turn to the left. And all right. Let's try the windmills. So this is behind you. The veil is behind you. I'm gonna go this direction. So I'm gonna start down, up. Wait, one more time. Let's try the windmills, starting on this side. So my arm goes down and up. My veil has too much static in it. I'm gonna be here behind you. Try to practice these moves before you go further, especially the windmills. That's a pretty intense one. It'll work out your shoulders a lot. Just do your best. If anything starts to hurt, just stop. You don't have to do everything. Yeah, but have some fun with the veil and try to explore various moves. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll come back next week with more veil work. Shimmy, shimmy.